Alright guys, I just saw this tweet literally 1 minute ago. So it's from Sifu, and he made a new site called sifu.vision. Now I have not clicked on anything so far on this website, and I don't know what this is, but I am going to explore this with you guys. And before you guys complain about me promoting this supposedly scammer's coin, just let me know, because I'm just letting you know that this is strictly about this thing that he's doing. And no matter what you think about this person, if you don't care about this person, close the video now. If you don't care about this project, close the video. If you think he's a scammer, don't even watch this video. This is for those who are actually curious about what this person is up to and what kind of things is he going to launch next. Is this the next rug pull? Is this the next Wonderland? Who knows? It might be. So please do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now this coin is called Sifu's Vision, hung with the magical Sifu token. Now if you watched my video from last few weeks ago, we already noticed that he created this Sifu coin a while ago, and there is a total maximum supply of 1 million tokens. So what he's doing now is he's gonna do a sale of $100 for each coin until the end of March, or until all tokens are sold. So that will give him $100 million if everything's sold out. Now that's a great way to make a quick buck. $100 million for a coin that he made out of thin air. So $100 each, that's $100 million. So are you guys going to buy it? I don't know. But anyway, let's check out the website. It says, what is the purpose of the Sifu token? I'm curious. Let's click on that. Let's see. Looks like a chat. Oh, okay. Make it rain. Who is managing the sale proceeds? I imagine probably Sifu himself. Yep, that looks like it. Will there be a way to redeem? Redeem what? Yes? Is any of the stuff I read online true about Sifu? He said no. Is this a DAO? It's not a DAO. Okay. I think I understand what's happening. This is cool. Okay, some big brain stuff. So yeah, you can only buy it on Uniswap, which means you're gonna have to pay a lot of fee on Ethereum network. But that's all there are in the website right now. You can follow Sifu, or you can join his own unique Discord. So it seems like he's breaking away from Wonderland. He actually rage quitted with Wonderland and completely to Magic Internet Money. So he's out of Wonderland, and he's no longer has anything to do with Wonderland. He doesn't want anything to do with it. So he's creating his own project now, hoping to raise $100 million. I wish I could do that. Create my shit token and then sell them for, I'll just sell it for $1 each. That's an easy $1 million right there, right? So yeah, we don't have much info right now, but you guys can probably go into his Discord and check out what exactly is this thing here. Could be the next rug pull, or it could be the next thing that'll make you rich. Who knows? Let me know what you guys think. What are your prediction of what this coin is gonna do, and what do you think its valuation will be when it's all over? Let me know in the comments below. I hope to see you guys in the next video.